Good morning. We are on claim 11-85Z287T. We're about to perform a repair attempt on this shingle here. In order to remove and replace it, we need to manipulate the two rows above it. I'll be using State Farm's prescribed tool, the roof snake, as well as a roof hatchet to get the nails in and out. We will document any damages that occur throughout and at the end. Let's get started. We got granules falling off already, just breaking the seals. I'll be using the tail end of the hatchet just to lift the shingles up high enough so that I can see the nails. We have a nail pull through on that one. First row teed out. Going to the second row. Looks like we had some missed nails. Yep, a couple missed nails, not even in that shingle. Alright. Replacing it with another standard 3-tab. Caught on the felt, that looks like. Exposure's good. First row's in, second row, seeing more granules show up and some fractures beginning to form. I'm not sure if you can hear it in the video. We'll show you some close-ups afterwards. More. Alright, we are all done. What I'm noticing is, besides granule loss, we do have what seems to be fracturing in the mat of the shingle. We can see creases forming just from barely lifting it up to get access to the nails. So this would be deemed a failed attempt to repair. I would encourage State Farm to reconsider the repairability aspect of this, given as we tried to replace one damaged shingle and we only managed to damage 3 more subsequent shingles on top of that.